Ambuluwawa Tower, located in the heart of Gampala, Sri Lanka, is a unique and enchanting destination that offers an unforgettable experience for visitors. Perched atop the Ambuluwawa mountain, the tower stands out for its stunning panoramic views, offering 360-degree vistas of the surrounding landscapes, including rolling hills, lush forests, and even distant mountain ranges like the Knuckles Mountain Range and Pitarudalagala. For tourists seeking a blend of adventure, culture, and nature, Ambuluwawa Tower is an ideal destination that showcases the rich diversity and harmony of Sri Lanka.